Did you know the CIA once tried to use cats as undercover spies? In the 1960s, the agency launched a secret project called Acoustic Kitty as part of its efforts during the Cold War to spy on the Soviet Union. The goal was to use cats as mobile eavesdropping tools by surgically implanting a microphone in the ear, a transmitter in the skull, and a battery along the body. The idea was that the cat could inconspicuously pick up conversations in sensitive areas like Russian embassies or parks near the Kremlin. However, the project failed famously. The first test ended when the cat was hit by a taxi shortly after release. The program was later deemed impractical and scrapped. Millions of dollars later, the CIA gave up. Turns out, cats don't make great secret agents.